Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. Now of course guys, if you want to turn on the high contrast feature on your TV for sharper text or sharper general images I think, but especially text, you can turn on the high contrast feature. Now to find this option, find your remote. This is the remote here. You're going to hit menu, which is this one here. And there you go. Once again, the menu options. Sorry. You're going to go to your menu. You're going to come all the way down to accessibility. You're going to come over, and what you're going to search for here is high contrast. So you can find high contrast here, and once high contrast is on, you simply turn it on. Check out the text in the background. You'll notice when it's off, things are less sharp. When it's on, things get very sharp. So you can turn it on or off as needed. So as you can see here, I'm toggling on and off. Things does get sharper with it. Some people may like it, they may not like it. So if you want, you can turn it on or off. All right. So that's how to do it on your LG TV. If you have a similar TV with a similar remote, all right, with a similar setup in terms of the operating system on the TV. All right. So do hope you like this tutorial. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, and bye until next time. Bye.